What's up guys, my name is Robin, I'm a light designer and operator, and today we're reviewing the Betopper LF1421. Let's check it out. Let's see what we get with the fixture. So, when we open the box, we first are meted and greeted with a manual, which is always nice. You get a PowerCon cable, standard PowerCon cable with an EU sticker because I live in Europe, plus the DMX cable, and then we have the light fixture itself. I'm gonna put the box away, the mush away. Da-da-da-da. So, first impressions. It's made of metal, which is good. It has two feet, which you can, so you can mount it in the different directions. On the back side, what do we see? We have PowerCon in, PowerCon out. We have DMX in and DMX out. Little display, a fan, noise. On the front side, we have a lot of lenses. White LEDs in the middle as a strobe. Yeah. Let's power it on, see what we have. So when we power it on and it is not plugged into the DMX, it starts an outer show. It's very bright. I'm gonna see if I can. Okay. So that's full power. Yeah, it's really bright. So let's see if we have some functions here. So yeah, of course you can run it on DMX. You have a 16-channel mode, a 4-channel mode, and a 63-channel mode. I'm guessing you can control these LEDs independently, which is nice. It has a strobe function, of course, a color function, so you can set it up as a wall washer. You can assign it a color. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, but it has some. No, it's not that easy to see. I'm gonna try to focus. Okay. Speed, macros. Yeah. First impressions. It's very bright. It's very tight in beams, which is nice. I'm gonna connect it up to the MA. And then I'll see you right back. So what can I tell you? We hooked them up to the MA. They have a lot of built-in programs, as you can see here, which can also be triggered via the microphone when you're just, as a DJ, using them in your mobile setup. You can trigger every color, you can trigger every pixel. I've put 3 pixels. The LED in the middle for the strobe is also separately controllable. Yeah, they have a lot of great effects. I'm just gonna scroll through a couple of them. Now, to clarify, I'm currently at 15% brightness because you can see it via the camera. If I turn it up, it's really bright. So I turn it down so you can see what it's doing more. So yeah, a lot of crazy effects. But of course, as an operator, you can also control every section of it. So my final verdict about the Betopper LF1421. It's great, it has a great build quality, it's made from metal, it has a lot of fun built-in macros, effects, which you can use as a driving DJ or for fixed installations in a bar or whatever. If you don't want to control it, you can send it over an audio which goes on standalone. You can connect them up and then they're in master-slave mode. Connectivity possibilities is good. You get a 4-channel mode, 16-channel mode and a 63-channel mode. Great depending on what kind of how you want to control them. So if you like this kind of lights, go and check them out on the site. I put a link down below. So yeah, thanks to Betopper for sending me out these lights. These were great fun. It's crazy how bright they are. It's not normal. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.